You need to get out.
See? This one. Yeah,
You gotta sign the paperwork. I can't sign for
Still
you.
got to sign. How are you?
Good night, man. Want to get a woman a brand new car? She only want to come inside and get it.
That's it.
Black, peanut butter interior, prestige. The door shut by itself.
Yeah, this is my car. Let's see the big You see? You're great.
So I go out there and make sure the door's on the truck.
I did. I locked them.
Go around there to the thing and get me a lemonade. You know the refrigerator is? What about it? So she retired and she's getting a brand new car? Jacque T. Moore's Atlanta's own Shirt and Tie Guy. Yes, sir.
What refrigerator are you talking about?